Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the structure of email message. First, see the figure. First is the send message or compose, save draft, spell check, cancel message. Then 2, CC, BCC, subject, attachment, a special button to attach any file, message body. First 2, this box used for the email ID of recipient. Then CC, this box is used for the email ID of carbon copy recipient. BCC, blind carbon copy, this box is used for the email ID of blind carbon copy recipients. Subject, this is the title of email. Attachment, this box show the name of file to be attached, and this box is used to attach the file. Then the message body, this is the box that contain all the information you want to show off. To contain the address of number of recipients to which you want to send the mail. CC is the carbon copy. Most important, if you want to send more than one copy to number of recipient, then we use the carbon copy. The address and addresses to which you want to send a copy of mail, the CCP recipient's name is visible to all the recipients. But in case of BCC, recipient name is not visible to other. Subject, it is the title of email. Body is the contents or information. Attachment, we can attach any file to the email address. Difference between CC and BCC, this is the important topic. There are the 2 marks question that show what is the difference between CC and BCC. CC mean carbon copy, BCC mean blind carbon copy. In case of CC, all the recipient's name is visible to all the members, but in case of BCC, no one know to whom it may be transferred. Topic 7.3, search engine. It is a program that searches through a database of web pages for a particular information. Example, Google, Bing, Ask, AOL. Google is the most popular search engine. Element of search engine, there are the three element of search engine. First is the spider, second is the indexing software, and third is the search algorithm. First is the spider. It is the comb that internet looking for the document. The web address, it perform the mathematical searches needed to find the information. The spider is a software that is the part of search engine. It collect the number of websites for the required document. Indexing software, this software extract information from the document and web addresses, prepare the index of its store in database. First step, spider, it collect the number of web pages and website. Indexing software is then extract the information from the web pages and prepare the index of number of web pages or website. Last is the search algorithm. When you perform a search by entering a keyword, the search engine software search in database using a particular search method called the search algorithm. After that indexing, the search algorithm will be applied to the number of website or web pages in a database to select the required information.